This is one of the busiest upscale and luxury shopping destinations in London. And behind me is a flagship store of a renowned Chinese down jacket brand. What are the key competitive advantages of China's clothing industry in the global market, especially the high-end segment? Fashionistas share their thoughts.
When people come in and they see the quality, they feel the fabrics, they understand how warm they can keep them, they see the craftsmanship, they're shocked at the price. It's very important to have that physical store.
The best way to come in international market, it will be absolutely be in line with customer needs. We go around and try to understand from the shop, from the criticism of the people. We looking what the customer need, and we hear what the customer need, and after we try to mix them needed with our knowledge.
I think the prospects are amazing. I think they produce great quality garments and they're using really good materials, and so there is no reason with the design and the quality that they shouldn't have great success here in the UK.
I think it's coming up with more, like a lot more innovative designs. I think that would be quite cool, and coming up with different materials that we've not seen before. And I feel like, yeah, the style and the uniqueness is what I'll be looking forward to.